So hello guys, welcome once again to a new video. In this case to the follow-up of the vibrating piccolo machine. So I made a little bit of investigation. If you remember, last time we switched the pumps between these two units. So just to recap, this unit had a huge vibration, and I thought initially that the pump was the cause of this, and this was a good working unit. So I took over the pump from this working unit and put it on this one, and on my surprise, this was still vibrating, huge vibration. So I was thinking, since the pump is the only moving part, this should be the problem. So it was not. So initially I stopped the video there. I share it with you, but in the meantime I made a little bit of investigation, and today I switched over the main PCB. So I thought, since the pump is not the problem, maybe there is a higher voltage on the PCB. This producing the high power and making the pump vibrate more. So on my surprise, this was true. Now we have here the PCB board from the initial vibrating one. So let me show you. We have both of them. I will start both of them. So this is already green. So if we switch it on, no vibration whatsoever. Of course, it makes some noise, but it's not vibrating, it's normal. And now look on this one. Let's wait for it. Okay. And look on this one. So yeah, this shows clearly that the vibration issue on these machines is coming from the main PCB. So yeah, unfortunately, I don't think this is repairable. For such a cheap unit to change the PCB is not economically viable. So in this case, I would say, yeah, return it in case you have it, because this is an almost new unit. Was not used a lot because of this vibration, so it had the problem directly from the factory. So when you see this vibration, don't bother repair it. It's something from the PCB board. So yeah, this is a quick video. I hope you liked it. I hope you learned something. If you have this problem, don't bother repairing it. Okay, then if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Why not subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.